Alright, how's it going everyone? Welcome back to Calabrese Auto Detail, and in today's video I'll be showing you a full day of detailing. So today I did 3 vehicles. The first one here is a Subaru Impreza, and this is just a before video, and the package service that I did on this vehicle is called my Silver Package, and that's $250, and that includes, full shampoo, vacuum. If they have leather seats, I'll do leather conditioning. But this car here has cloth seats, so I'll have to extract those as well. And I have a few clips later in the video that show you really how dirty this car was and the extraction process. But this client only wanted the interior done on today's detail, so I actually lowered my price for him down to $200. And I like to do that with customers because I'm not going to charge them full price if they didn't get the full detail. It's only right to do. So, and when my YouTube videos get posted, they actually get posted on Google, and prospective clients, people searching for my business will actually watch some of these videos. So I like to show the process. I really haven't made too many videos lately. I kind of deleted most of them. But maybe I'll start doing this again if this video gets some traction. But so we got here the cloth seats. I'm using my drill brush here after I sprayed my carpet cleaning solution, and then I will extract the seats. Some of the seats weren't too bad. You could see how there's like the white solution coming up, but when it turns brown, that's when you know you're extracting some stains. And the darker colored seats, you don't see the stains in the sunlight or the daylight or anything, but when you really start cleaning the vehicle, you get to see where those stains were and that. But if you have like a beige interior or a lighter color, then you really see the stains. Like I did a vehicle the other day where there was stains all over the seats, and you could really see it because it was light colored. So we're in the back seat here. You could see that I'm really extracting some of the dirt out of this seat. The client said he bought this vehicle used, so he doesn't know, where the stains are or anything, but I cleaned it up for him, no problem, and it was great. And I've been posting a lot on my Instagram. If you guys want to follow me, it's at Calabrese Auto Detail, and my Instagram reels have been really taking off. I've been getting around 5,000 views on all of them, and I posted this clip here on Instagram, and a lot of people liked it. They think it's like very satisfying and all that. But the next clip I'll show you guys is the after. This service took me about 2.5 hours just for the interior, and I charged $200. So that's a pretty good hourly rate. But it's not just me doing the work. It's all the equipment that I have, and the expertise that I bring to the table. And that's why I charge my prices. They're not the best in my area, but they are competitive, and I usually get the job done, and people are very happy. So yeah, it came out pretty well. I left the floor mats out drying in the sun, and I told the customer, maybe in an hour or two you could put those back in because the carpets are still drying. I don't want to put wet floor mats on top of wet carpeting, so that's how I did it. The Subaru came out great, and now we're on to the next one. So let's look at this. So we have a 2014 Toyota Corolla, and these are all they doubled up, so they had floor mats and carpets, so I had to do both of those. Minor dirt here on the floor area. You can see the cup holders are a little dirty. Driver's side very dirty. The driver's side's always the dirtiest. So back seat, they have kids. You can see that stain there on the back seat. I take care of that in later clips that I show you. And yeah, I mean this one took me 3 hours because it was a little dirtier, and I did the exterior as well. And this is another silver package, so this one cost the customer $250, and this is my second vehicle, so I'm looking pretty good for the day. And I put 100% effort in every single detail, so it's worth the $250. There I put the sealant on it too on the exterior, I use Chemex. I made a video on that. I use the Chemex snake oil. You just foam it on, and it lasts a few months. You know, I say that in my description of my website. Excuse me, I can't even speak. But in my website, I say, you know, it lasts a few months. I'm not going to promise, you know, 1 year of protection on a product that can only do a few months. And it all depends on driving. But this is the after here. The seats are still drying, so there may be a few little wet spots that you think are stains, but I think it really came out great. He was very happy with it, and I think it turned out pretty well. You can see the shine on the paint. You know, this vehicle had 121,000 miles on it, and I think I made it look pretty good. And then this is our last one here, the Alfa Romeo. She has only 20,000 miles on it. You know, it was basically just a quick cleaning. Took me a few hours, not a few, only like 2 hours, but I think it came out great. Just a basic, you know, vacuum, and this was just $150 service. So it's for the cars that are basically pretty clean. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know, leave a like, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.